Good morning, preschoolers. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Today is our last day in April. Tomorrow will be May. Can you believe it? Today we will learn about predators. Take a look at the screen. What are predators? Right, they are animals. We'll learn about what predators are in a couple of minutes. Please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for being respectful. Here's our good morning song. I hope you're singing at home. I miss singing with you. And our weather report. Right now, as I am recording this, it's really windy outside. What kind of weather are you experiencing right now? Go ahead and look at your window. Is it sunny, rainy, windy, partly sunny, snowy, or cloudy? Go ahead and tell me. Great job being a meteorologist. All right, here's our weekly focus wall. The colors we are talking about are soft pastels. Which one's your favorite? I like that one too. What shape is our shape of the week? Yes, a stretched out circle, which is an oval, kind of like an avocado. An avocado is one of Miss Galfo's favorite things to eat. She loves avocados. And our letter of the week that we're reviewing is G. Can you point to the capital G or the uppercase G? And trace it with your finger. Or write it in the air. You can do that too. Can you point to the lowercase g? Write it in the air. And this is the sign for letter G. Go ahead and practice. Letter G. Awesome. All right. The themes of the week are endangered and extinct animals, animal habitats, and predators. Alrighty, so take a look at our April calendar. Wow. Can you believe everything that we learned about this April? Today's our last day that we're going to see this calendar. What was your favorite thing that we learned about in April? I like that too. Remember when we talked about bunnies? And what's this? And eggs. And what holiday did we have? Earth Day. What does this sign mean? Recycle. Great. And we talked about how plants grow and how beans grow. We had spring break. Had some time off. You are very busy at home, right? I'm so proud of you. And guess what? On Monday, we have a surprise for you. So make sure you tune in. And our sign for the day is miss you. So you start with miss. Point to your chin. Miss. And then you point out. You. Ready? Practice. Miss you. One more time. Miss you. High five. All right. So before I said that we were going to teach you about predators. Are you ready? All right. What is a predator? Well, what could a predator be? That's a big fancy word. It's a really big kid word. Can you say predator? Awesome. All right, get ready. A predator is an animal that eats another animal. So this tiger eats this bird. It has to eat in order to survive. It's called the cycle of life, right? Predators have really sharp claws and sharp teeth to help them eat their food. Just like you. You have teeth. This lion has really sharp teeth so that he can eat this animal. Another fun fact, the animals that a predator eats is called their prey. Can you say prey? So we have a predator that eats prey. And predators have excellent vision, so that means they can see really well. They have excellent hearing. They can hear really far away. And they have excellent smell. They can smell really well. That's a predator. I'm very proud of you. And there's something called a food chain as well. This makes sure that we have the cycle of life and make sure that every living thing is eating so that it can survive, it can live. So what is this a picture of? We're just going to talk about this chain right here, this first one. Right, it's a tree pointing to the deer. And then the deer, and then there's an arrow pointing to the lion. All right, let's go backwards for a second. What do you think a lion eats? A deer. What do you think a deer eats? Trees. So this must be the food that the predators or the animals eat. It's like a cycle. Let's take a look down here. What's this? Flowers. And flowers are food for flies or butterflies. Butterflies or flies are food for a frog. A frog is food for a snake. And a snake is food for who? An eagle. Wow, that's another food chain. Okay, this one at the bottom. What is this a picture of? Might be in the water. Right, maybe it's seaweed or some type of underwater plant. Who eats this underwater plant? Are they big, ginormous fish or are they small fish? Right, they're small fish. And these little tiny small fish are food for who? The bigger fish. And then this big fish is food for the bird. I think that's a pelican. This is called a food chain. All right. Let's take a look at all of these pictures. What do you see? What is this a picture of? Duplo blocks. What about this? A soccer ball. Do you like to play soccer outside? Me too. What's this a picture of? A train. Remember playing with the train at school? And do you know who this is? Mr. Potato Head. And what's this? Dolls. What group do all of these belong to? Are these types of food or are these toys? Right, they're all toys. Do you have any of these toys at home? That's so awesome. You should bring them to Friday Snack for show and tell so we can see them. All right, this is another fun slide. So, you are going to pick the one that's different. Let's see. Let's do this row. Who is this? Does anyone know? Yes, it's Lightning McQueen. All right, now you have to match Lightning McQueen. Oh no, I'm sorry. You have to find the different Lightning McQueen. Or it could be another character. Can you find the different car than Lightning McQueen? Good job! It's Mater. Did you know that? He's disguised as a red fire truck. That's so funny. He blends right in. Because what color is Lightning McQueen? He's also red. I didn't trick you there. Let's go to the middle line. What is this? A beautiful rainbow unicorn. Right. All right. Where's the different animal? Can you find it? Go ahead and point to it. Awesome. It's the horse. Why is it different? Yes, it doesn't have a rainbow tail or a rainbow mane. Does it have a unicorn horn? No. So that makes it different. That's okay. And then let's go to the bottom. What's this a picture of? A tomato. All right, let's see. Do you find a difference here? What is it? What's the one that's different? Right, it's a strawberry. Why is the strawberry different than the tomato? Right, even the shape of it is different. It's more triangular. A tomato is more circular. It has seeds on the outside. It's a little more bumpier too. Do you see that? How a tomato looks smooth. But why do they look the same? What color are they? They're both red and they both have green stems. Awesome, you worked hard on that one. And this is such a fun video. It's STEM with Mrs. Schaefer. Her and her daughter made slime. So you can make slime with Mrs. Schaefer and her daughter. So this is a video that you can pull up in the PDF version. I hope you enjoy it. We miss you, Mrs. Schaefer. Thanks for doing this. If you make slime with your families, please send us a picture. All right, today's special is Mindfulness with Mrs. Verena. You can click right here. And these are our preschool centers for you to try at home, just different ideas for you to do and to make. All right, tiny tigers, I hope you have a great day. This picture down here says, what matters most is how you see yourself. It's a little tiny cat, and he sees in the mirror that he is a big, brave tiger. All of you are brave, and I'm so proud of all of you. We all miss you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.